Hi guys, I am starting the keto diet. This is my first time doing the keto diet, so I thought I would just go through and show you everything I've gotten from the grocery store. Okay, so I got 3 packs of chicken thighs. I've got them on sale at Kroger's for $3.98 for one. This one was $4.30, and this one was $4.61. So chicken thighs. I'm stocking up. I don't think I'm going to eat this in one day or anything. I got 3 packs of bacon, traditional cut Kroger bacon. And then I got a big fatty roast beef chuck for $19.43. I have an Instant Pot, so I'm going to do some cooking in that, do some meal prep. Okay, I got a pack of cheddar cheese. I got a pack of pepper jack cheese cubes. And I got this Wisconsin 3-pepper Colby Jack. They're like individually wrapped cheese sticks. Okay, the next couple things I got are sauces. This is ketchup. This is by Walden Farms, and it says it's sugar-free, gluten-free, carb-free, fat-free, no calories ketchup. And then I also got, by the same place, barbecue sauce. And I want to say these are around $5. I ordered some sauces from Amazon, so when those come in, I'll do another video on those. Next thing I got was olive oil. I got 100% pure olive oil. And then I ordered this on Amazon. It's called a Misto. And you put your oil in here. And I don't want to spray it, but it's non-aerosol. So you pump this till it doesn't, like, it meets resistance. And then you spray it so that you can, cook with olive oil without using aerosol. And I want to say this was on Amazon for like $8. If I think about it, I'll try and link some of these things down below if they were from Amazon. Next thing I got is by Bob's Red Mill, and this is superfine almond flour. And I got this so that I could make some carb-free bread or low-carb bread. I got a head of cauliflower. And then these, I got these almond packs, these roasted almonds. These were like $1. I got 3 of those. I thought those would be convenient for just keeping in my purse or whatever. If I'm tempted, or if I just need something quick, this would be a good route to go. Next thing I got was coffee pods. You can have coffee and tea, and obviously water. I also got olives. They're in like these little to-go cups. And then I got a head of broccoli. And then I also got avocado. I got spinach. I'm going to try and do the Starbucks egg cups in my Instant Pot. And then I also got chicken wings, which I'm also going to cook in my Instant Pot. Okay, the last few things I got are cauliflower pearls. And this is, you can kind of see the picture there. It's to kind of mimic rice. There's lots and lots of videos on YouTube about how to make this and season it and cook it, that kind of thing. And then I got 2 big things of eggs. And then I also got Simple Truth organic salted butter. Okay, so I got my MCT oil. I haven't gotten the one from Amazon yet, but I went back to Walmart and I found this at Walmart. And then someone also suggested these Mio electrolyte drops. You put them in your drinks, and they said when you first start this diet that it kind of helps with the flu-like symptoms you can get. I also got this psyllium husk powder. I got this from Amazon. I wanted to make some bread, and it called for that. And then I also got this big bag of, oh, you can't really see it. This big bag of Anthony's Premium Organic Coconut Flour. I also got these Veggie Tots. They're cauliflower Veggie Tots from Walmart. And then I also found frozen Green Giant cauliflower. And then I found mashed cauliflower. I ordered this from Amazon. This is Guy's award-winning barbecue sauce, sugar-free. You can see everything on the back. And this stuff, let's see if you can see the consistency, is thick, like I'm pouring it over sideways. It's not coming out. A lot of this stuff is very runny. This is thick, and this is really good stuff. It was expensive on Amazon, but I also got 2 things of heavy whipping cream, and I got some tomato strawberries just to have something sweet. I also found these barbecue flavored pork skins, and I found these. They're called Wisps cheddar cheese crisps. I got these at Walmart. Gluten-free, 10 grams of protein, BGH-free milk. On the back, here are the stats. So I found 2 different kinds, so cheddar cheese and Asiago and pepper jack cheese crisp. I've picked up a few more things. So I'm gonna make homemade jam. I got these little jars for it in the Target dollar spot. Thought it was perfect to make it. And I needed gelatin and strawberries and Swerve, a sugar substitute. Along the sugar sweetener line, I got this liquid stevia to just kind of keep in my purse. Desperate times call for desperate measures. I got a recipe for a faux overnight oatmeal, and I needed a jar to kind of shake it up in and be able to take and go. I got this in the dollar section at Target, and I got silk cashew, I guess you call it milk. Is it really milk? I don't know. And then chai seeds and hemp seeds. I also got these Adkin bars, caramel chocolate nut roll, and they have 3 grams of net carbs. And you see the box open, I ate one and it was really good. And then also peanut butter fudge crisp, and it has 2 net carbs in it. I picked up some vanilla and some more pickles. These have been kind of a lifesaver for me. And I know you're not supposed to do a lot of peanut butter, but I got this organic, Great Value brand of peanut butter, and it seemed to be lower on the spectrum of everything. I'm sure you can read that. I looked for peanut butter powder, like Jiffy makes a peanut butter powder. If anybody knows where exactly in the store you find that, let me know. I couldn't find it. Okay, these few things I picked up at Family Dollar. I got Family Gourmet brand stevia packets, and I got Vienna sausages. Here's the count on the back if you are curious. I need something to throw in my work bag. I'm a nurse and work long hours, and I thought this would be perfect. I liked them when I was a kid. I probably don't like them now, but... And then I found these. I haven't really seen anyone talk about these. Pork rinds, microwave pork rinds. And I'm not a huge fan of pork rinds, but they might grow on me. Okay, the next thing I got, and I want to say they were like $1. I don't know how many packs. Oh, I guess it's just 1 pack in here, but still, it's a great option, like to take to work or whatever. Or just to have in general. These tag-alongs. These are little containers. They have a removable tray for dip and then a tight lid seal there. So I thought that was kind of a neat idea, and they weren't expensive. Well, I mean, I think they were like $3, but still, they're reusable. And then also by Rubbermaid, and these were $3. These are 3 containers, and they have a divided section with a lid. These are these silicone, I think this one's by Tiny Dazzle. I got both of these on Amazon. I bought these specifically to do egg bites in my Instant Pot. I think it's called Sous Vide. It's like a copycat recipe for Starbucks egg bites that are keto friendly. Hi guys, I made keto lava cake, and then on the side I have buttercream frosting, and I used Swerve powdered sugar. It's a buttercream frosting. There's one, and there's... Alright guys, I thought I would show you my keto copycat Starbucks egg cups. I haven't tried them yet, but they look like the ones there.